Hello student, welcome to my class. Today I will teach you the fundamental theory of circuit analysis, the superposition theorem. Now the question is, what is the superposition theorem and how to solve circuit using it? Suppose you have a multiple source electrical circuit and you want to solve it. Then according to superposition theorem, you can use sources one by one while keeping the others turned off. Then you can find the final current or voltage by summing up the previous current or voltage. That is very easy. So what will be our current? Our current will be the summation of the total step current, and our voltage will also be the summation of the previous calculated voltage. So one important thing is how to turn off the current source or voltage source. There are two different techniques for turning off them. So first I will see you how to turn off any current source, voltage source. So suppose this is a voltage source, you need to short it out for turn off. And suppose you have a current source, you can turn off this current source by open circuit. Okay. So now let us introduce an example to better understand this theorem. Suppose there are a voltage source of 20 volt and there is a series resistance of 10 ohm. There is a upward directed current source of 4 ampere. Okay. There are two resistors, one is 6 ohm and other is 4 ohm. Now you are asked to find out the current through this 4 ohm resistor. So look at the circuit. There are two sources and you can solve it easily by node analysis or mesh analysis, but you have to deal with lots of equations. But if we want to solve this in superposition theorem, we can simplify the calculation technique. So as there are two sources, we need to two steps. So first step one, we will take the voltage source active and the current source will be turned off. So first we need to redraw the circuit. So our voltage source will remain the same, 10 ohm, but our current source will be open circuited. So suppose the current contribution for 20 volt is I1. Now look at the circuit. This is a very easy circuit, and we can find the current through Ohm's law. Total voltage by total resistance. 10 plus 6 plus 4 equals to 20 by 20 equal to 1 ampere. So in for our step 2, we will take the current source active and we will turn off the voltage source. So I previously said you that to turn off any voltage source, we have to short it. So we first short the voltage source then redraw the circuit. 10 ohm, here 4 ampere, here 6 ohm, here 4 ohm. So suppose the current contribution for 4 ampere is I2. Now look again. This is also a very simple circuit and we can solve the current I2 through current division. If I want to redraw this, you can see that one branch is 6 ohm, 4 ohm, and the other branch is 10 ohm, and the current through here is I2. So according to the current division formula, I2 will be 4 into 1 by 6 plus 4 by 1 by 6 plus 4 plus 1 by 10. Okay. So we previously know that current is divided according to the or proportionally to the admittance. So the current value will be 2 ampere here if we solve it. So look, for first step we have find 1 ampere current, and for second step we have find 2 ampere current. So what will be our total current or actual current contribution? So our actual current contribution will be the summation of two current contributions. So I will be I1 plus I2. So 1 ampere plus 2 ampere is equal to 3 ampere. So student, look, in this way, using this superposition theorem, we can simply solve the circuit, and there are two sources, but if I use 3 or 4 source, you will follow the same procedure. Okay, thank you all.